Binance versus eToro. Which investment platform wins? Choosing the right platform can transform how you invest and grow your portfolio without unnecessary fees or complexity. Binance offers extensive crypto options, while eToro combines social trading with diverse assets. Binance and eToro are two leading investment platforms, but they serve different needs. Binance focuses on cryptocurrency trading with a vast selection and low fees, whereas eToro offers a social trading experience across multiple asset classes, including stocks and crypto. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive range of coins and trading pairs. It operates as a centralized platform where users can trade spot, futures, and margin crypto assets. Binance's interface supports both beginners and advanced traders, offering tools like advanced charting and staking options. Its strengths lie in low trading fees, high liquidity, and a broad selection of digital assets, making it ideal for active crypto investors. However, Binance's complexity and regulatory scrutiny in some countries may pose challenges, especially for newcomers. Users seeking deep crypto exposure and competitive fees will find Binance well suited to their needs, but those preferring a simpler or more regulated environment might face a learning curve. eToro is a social investment platform that combines traditional assets like stocks and ETFs with cryptocurrency trading. It emphasizes ease of use and community-driven investing through features such as Copy Trader, which allows users to replicate trades from experienced investors. eToro offers a user-friendly interface with educational resources and a regulated environment, appealing to beginners and casual investors. While its crypto selection is narrower than Binance's, eToro's multi-asset approach provides portfolio diversification beyond digital currencies. Its fees tend to be higher, especially for crypto spreads and withdrawals, which can affect frequent traders. Ideal users are those who value social interaction, want to explore various asset classes, and prefer a straightforward platform with regulatory oversight. Comparing Binance and eToro highlights distinct trade-offs. Binance excels with a vast crypto catalog, low fees, and advanced trading tools, perfect for active crypto traders seeking variety and cost efficiency. Conversely, eToro's strength lies in its social trading features and multi-asset access, suited for investors wanting diversification and community insights. For example, a crypto enthusiast focused solely on digital assets may prefer Binance's depth and pricing, while a new investor interested in stocks and crypto with social guidance will benefit from eToro's integrated approach. However, Binance's regulatory challenges and complexity might deter beginners, whereas eToro's higher fees could be a drawback for high-frequency traders. Ultimately, the choice depends on your investment style and asset preferences. Choose Binance if you prioritize extensive cryptocurrency options, low fees, and advanced trading features tailored for experienced and active crypto investors. Opt for eToro if you want a simple, regulated platform that supports multiple asset classes with social trading tools, ideal for beginners and those seeking diversified investments. Both platforms offer strong benefits depending on your investment goals and experience level,